welcome back to our online program from American Bridge International School with teacher again. Alright everyone, so yes, see you again, right? So how do you feel after our human days? Feel good, right? Okay, where did you go on human days, everyone? Alright, how many pagoda did you go? Okay, great job. So, alright. So, I hope all you guys have a very great holiday, right? Okay, good. So, now we will back to our lesson. So, alright, before teacher start our lesson, could you please tell me what day is today? Yes, correct. Today is Monday. And what is the month? Yes, the month is September. And what is the date, everyone? Yes, correct. The date is 21st, alright, and the year is 2020. So, today we will start a new lesson with a new page, right? Yes, good. So, before teacher continue our lesson, could you please tell me what did we study about in the previous session, everyone? Yes, great job. We have learned many words, right? Okay, do you remember what are they? Yes, great job. They are turn on, push, pull, turn, and also turn off. Alright, great job everyone. So now, don't waste our time. Let's look at our review side and read all together with teacher. Okay, 1. Turn on, turn on, turn on. 2. Push, push, push. 3. Pull, pull, pull. 4. Turn, turn, turn. 5. Turn off, turn off, turn off. Correct. Okay, now please read again and spell together. Turn on, Turn. Turn on. Push, Push. Push. Pull, Pull. Turn, Turn. Turn off, Turn off. Wow, great job everyone. So now your turn. Please read and spell together. Number 1. Correct. Number 2. Great job. Number 3. Alright, well done. Number 4. Great. Number 5. Excellent. Alright, great job everyone. So now we finish our review side. Let's continue our lesson with teacher together, right? Okay, great job. So now look at our, whiteboard together. You can see today we will study about finish the story. Alright, great job everyone. So now please open your book on page 115 together. Alright, good job everyone. So, you need to listen to the track, right? So before teacher give you the listening or the audio track, so look at the picture first. What do you see in the picture, everyone? Yes, you can see kangaroo. There are many kangaroo, right? And where are they, everyone? Where are they right now? Yes, great job. They are in the factory. Okay, candy factory, right? Okay, good job. And who is here, everyone? Yes, the orange one who hold the scarf. Who is he? Yes, he is Monty. Alright, great job, everyone. And what about him with the crown? Yes, who is here, everyone, with the crown here? Yes, he is the king. Alright, great job, everyone. So if you want to know about our story, please listen to our track together. But you can look at, there are 2 stickers for you to stick, right? Okay, so when you listen, don't forget to add the sticker. Alright, so take the sticker at the back of the book in order to stick with the right place. Okay, everyone? So enjoy listening together.
Listen, add the stickers, and say. Let's make candy. Is this a scarf? Push the button. Wow! Hello!
Alright, great job everyone. So you finished listening to the track, right? Okay, you get the answer, right? Okay, can you tell me what is the first sticker? Who knows? Yes, great job. The first sticker is scarf. Correct, scarf. So now you need to add the picture scarf. Alright, add the sticker scarf. Alright, great job. So now look at the second sticker. What is that one? Yes, great job. Push the bottom. Alright, push the bottom. So take out the sticker, push the bottom, and then add to the plus. Alright, great job everyone. So now please read our lesson with teacher together. Alright, Monday, September 21st, 2020. TreeHouse 3, Unit 9, The Candy Factory. Finish the story. Let's make candy. Is this a scarf? Push the bottom. Wow. Hello. Alright everyone, so now repeat after teacher again. Let's make candy. Is this a scarf? Push the bottom. Wow. Hello. Okay, great job everyone. So now we finish our story, right? Alright, good job everyone. So now please move to another page. It's about page 116. Okay, let's learn. Alright everyone, so today we will learn about the history of the chocolate. Alright, great job everyone. Do you like chocolate? Alright, great, you like it, right? Yes, most of the children like chocolate. But don't forget when you eat chocolate, after that, brush your teeth, right? Okay, good job everyone. Alright everyone, so now please read with teacher together. Let's learn food. Chocolate candies come from cocoa trees. Chocolate candy comes from cocoa trees. Chocolate candy comes from cocoa trees. Okay, great job everyone. So like you can see in the picture, you can see the chocolate candy, right? Alright, great job everyone. So we will know how to make chocolate candy. So you can see the first picture, right? Did you know it everyone? Okay, this is called cocoa tree. So chocolate candy is made from cocoa beans. Okay, great job everyone. So we need to take the beans of cocoa. Yes, when we take it and then we peel it, we can see the seed inside the cocoa bean, right? Yes, you can see the seeds, the cocoa seed in the beans. Alright, great job. And after we have the cocoa seeds, you need to make it to become the cocoa powder. Yes, like you can see in the third picture, it's about the cocoa powder, correct? And after that, we need to mix together with the liquid like water or milk, something like that, right? Okay, you can see in the fourth picture here. And the last one, to make chocolate candy, you need to dry it. Yes, after you mix together with the water or milk, you need to dry it. So when the chocolate dry, you can eat it. It's become chocolate candy. Alright, great job everyone. So now we have chocolate candy. Let's eat together. So now look at our instruction below the picture together. Trace the number to learn the process of making chocolate candy. Then color the numbers. Everyone, do you see the number with the picture, everyone? Yes, the number near the picture. So you need to, yes, to trace and after that color the number. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the process of making chocolate candy. Alright, everyone. Alright, so after that you need to see expansion. Okay, expansion, draw your favorite candy. So everyone, what is your favorite candy? Chocolate candy or like the chocolate bar or like the strawberry candy, something like that. So you need to draw it by yourself. Alright, great job everyone. So now we finish our let's learn page. So now let's move to another page. It's about values. So everyone, when you see the word values here, what do you see in the picture, everyone? Yes, teacher have two pictures for you, right? Okay, the first picture is about what, everyone? Yes, about a girl with the brush, right? Okay, good. She tried to brush her teeth, but what about another picture? What about another picture? What's wrong with her? She eats many chocolate, but she doesn't brush her teeth. What's wrong with her teeth, everyone? So dirty, right? Okay, not good, right? Okay, like you can see here, like you can see her face is not good, right? Alright, so our values today is about brush your teeth. So everyone, remember, when you eat everything, not only the chocolate candy, but everything that you eat, after you eat, you need to brush your teeth in order to make your teeth clean and healthy. Alright, great job everyone. So now, can you tell me the happy face should be the first picture or the second picture? Yes, great job. The first picture should be happy face. So you need to brush your teeth twice a day, right? In the morning and also, yes, in the evening before you go to bed. Alright, great job everyone. And the sad face should be the second picture because she doesn't brush her teeth. Alright, great job everyone. So now you can see, right? Yes, our values today is about brush your teeth. Again, don't forget to brush your teeth twice a day, or sometimes you can brush 3 a day. Alright, great job everyone. Alright everyone, so our first session for today is finished. So enjoy your break time, but don't forget to copy the lesson on the whiteboard. Alright, great job everyone. Bye bye. See you in the second session.